Hi, I'm Guy. I'm with Tiger Services, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out your thermostat batteries. First of all, you want to have two AA batteries available to you very quickly. This is the Honeywell 6000. On the 6000, at the very top, it will say replace batteries if necessary. That error is going to be there for approximately 2 months. So it gives you some time to have two batteries in your hand and ready to replace. We recommend that you replace your batteries at least once a year. Along the winter time, or find an anniversary date or a birth date, something that you remember every year, and try to replace your batteries once a year. So I'm going to replace the batteries. I've got AA batteries in my hand, and what I want to do is there's a little thing right back here that I'm going to take out, turn over, and the batteries are right here. So I'm going to pop those out, put my two new AA batteries in, turn it over. Again, you see the two positive sides, and I'm going to put it directly in again and plug it in, and the thermostat comes back on. Now, it's important to have your batteries available and ready, because if you do this within 2 minutes, okay, all your settings will remain. If you go and try and find your batteries after you take this out, then you're going to have to restart the whole thing. So have your batteries available. You can see how easy it is by just taking this out, again, replacing, putting them in, putting this cartridge back in, sliding it in, snapping it in. It's ready to go. Thank you.